In 2026, AI is minting millionaires out of ordinary people who had zero tech background or coding skills a couple years ago. With global AI adoption accelerating, businesses from startups to enterprises are scrambling to integrate AI to reduce expenses, enhance productivity, and maintain a competitive edge. This has sparked explosive demand for accessible, hands-on AI solutions that deliver quick wins for businesses. In this video, I'm sharing the exact roadmap anyone can follow to go from zero to millionaire level with AI this year. This is the practical, step-by-step path based on what's working right now. Let's break these strategies into 3 stages for clarity. Stage 1, learn and leverage. Hit $0 to $10,000 per month with a solid AI side hustle. Stage 2, scale. Push $10,000 to $50,000 per month by refining and amplifying winners. Stage 3, expand. Leverage authority and assets to surpass $300,000 plus per month and achieve lasting wealth. Let's start with the first one. Stage 1, learn and leverage, $0 to $10,000 per month. Your initial focus shouldn't be on hitting $1 million overnight. That's a recipe for burnout. Instead, aim for $10,000 per month. That's the number that lets you ditch the 9-to-5, reclaim your time, gives you breathing room, and bet big on yourself. The best vehicle to achieve this in 2026 is to launch a solo AI service business, what many called a niche AI automation agency. You become the go-to person helping small to medium businesses adopt AI without the overwhelm. That means spotting where AI saves them time/money, teaching their team basics, or building simple automations that deliver immediate ROI. Right now, businesses are overwhelmed. They hear about AI everywhere. They know they should be using it, but they don't know what to use, how to implement it, whether it's safe, and if it'll break their systems. That confusion is your opportunity. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to be an engineer. You don't need to master AI. You only need to solve one painful problem using AI tools. Common roadblock that stop almost everyone is, I'm not a coder or engineer. How do I even offer AI services? The no-code revolution has removed technical barriers. Tools like N8N, Make.com, Zapier, VoiceFlow, Bubble, and AI agent platforms let you build sophisticated workflows visually without a single line of code. These allow you to connect tools, automate tasks, and build AI workflows for things like data processing or customer interactions. For example, you can build an AI voice receptionist that answers calls, qualifies leads, and schedules appointments, an automated lead qualification chatbot to automate initial customer inquiries on websites or social media, a DM autoresponder for Instagram or WhatsApp messages, a content repurposing system for creators. You're not building AI from scratch. You're connecting existing tools in smart ways. Another roadblock is AI feels overwhelming. How can I possibly know to charge businesses? The solution is, don't try to be an AI god who builds everything. That's for big teams. Beginners win by niching hard and mastering one high-value offer. Pick an industry you know or research. For example, dentists, realtors, gyms, restaurants, home service companies, and coaches. Now ask, what problem do they constantly face? Here's the big one: unanswered calls. Service businesses lose thousands every month from missed calls and slow responses. If you build an AI receptionist that answers instantly, qualifies leads, and books appointments, that is immediate ROI. You can charge $5,000 to $15,000 for setup and $1,000 to $3,000 per month for maintenance. And yes, businesses pay this. If you clearly show how, it makes or saves them money. Solid alternatives are AI lead qualifiers for sales teams, automated social DM responders, or content repurposing bots. Next, pick your niche and offer services based on it. Learn via free tutorials. YouTube has endless no-code guides. Don't spend 6 months learning theory. Spend 1 or 2 weekends building a working demo. Platforms like Coursera offer quick AI basics, but focus on one use case. Test your system on your own business or a friend's. Now you have something to show. You don't need a fancy website, paid ads, or a big audience to get your first clients. You can get clients by cold outreaching on LinkedIn or email. Target locals with free AI opportunity scan. Offer to review their current process and show where AI could improve it. Focus on value. Show numbers. For example, if you miss 20 calls per week and your average client is worth $500, that's $10,000 lost revenue monthly. My system captures those leads automatically. Tools like Hunter.io help to find contacts. At first, price lower to build testimonials, maybe $3,000 to $5,000 setup. Land 2 to 4 clients. Add recurring maintenance. You're at $10,000 per month faster than you think. By month 3 to 6, you'll have a portfolio and confidence to raise rates. Stage 2, scale. $10,000 to $50,000 per month. Once you hit consistent income, stop operating like a freelancer. Double down on winners to multiply revenue without multiplying your hours. This is where many people stall. They stay stuck at $15,000 to $20,000 per month because they are still doing everything themselves. Scaling requires identity shift. You must move from operator to builder. You must stop thinking, I build AI workflows. Start thinking, I build predictable revenue systems for dental clinics. First, niche deeper. If AI receptionists work for dentists, go all in. Become the AI automation specialist for dental clinics. When you specialize, sales become easier, messaging becomes clearer, referrals increase. You can charge higher prices. Specialists earn more than generalists. Second, productize your offers. Move from custom builds to packaged solutions. For example, the $15,000 AI receptionist package with setup, training, 3-month support. Create templates so delivery takes days, not weeks. Third, hire help without losing margins. Outsource no-code builds to freelancers on Upwork. You might pay $500 to $1,000 for a build that you charge $10,000 for. Bring on a salesperson or VA for outreach. Now, you focus on high-level consulting and closing. Fourth, add recurring revenue. Charge $1,000 to $3,000 per month for maintenance, updates, and performance monitoring. One client at $2,000 per month recurring equals $24,000 per year passive. $2,000 per month per client equals $24,000 per year. With 20 clients, that's $40,000 per month recurring. Recurring revenue creates stability. Stability allows long-term growth. Next, build a personal brand. Post daily on LinkedIn and YouTube showing case studies. How I saved this dentist $8,000 per month with AI. Use free tools like CapCut for quick videos. This attracts inbound leads. No more cold outreach grind. The key mindset is to stop trading time. Build systems. In 2026, the agencies hitting $50,000 per month aren't the ones doing everything themselves. They're the ones who package, delegate, and brand. Stage 3, expand $50,000 to $300,000 plus per month. Now the strategy shifts again. This stage is about leverage at scale. You move from services to assets and ecosystems. You're no longer trading time. You're creating scalable revenue streams. First, diversify revenue. Turn your knowledge into online courses, implementation programs, templates, AI workflow packs, and community memberships. Launch info products such as courses on how to build and sell AI receptionists, $997 to $2,000. Or your own SaaS tool built on no code, white label an AI agent platform. These scale infinitely. With results and brand authority, you can approach mid-market and enterprise clients. Offer full AI transformation roadmaps, cross-department automation, staff training workshops, and strategic AI consulting. These deals range from $50,000 to $200,000 plus dollars. Enterprise buyers pay for reliability, expertise, and proven systems. Your case studies become your leverage. To hit $300,000 plus per month, you need structure. Hire delivery managers, engineers, or automation leads, sales closers, and marketing team. Create processes, track KPIs, implement systems. You're no longer an AI freelancer. You're running an AI consulting firm. You should also create an intellectual property. This is how you build long-term wealth. Develop proprietary workflows, custom-trained agents, and industry-specific AI frameworks. License them, white label them. Turn services into scalable tools. Now, your income isn't just transactional, it's asset-based. That's where exits and major wealth come from. Finally, lead the industry, grow a community, host webinars, speak at events, partner with AI platforms. When you become known as the AI person for a specific industry, opportunities multiply. The biggest winners in 2026 won't just build AI systems. They'll build ecosystems around AI adoption. However, an important reality check is that becoming a millionaire in 1 year is not guaranteed. AI creates leverage, but business fundamentals still apply. You need sales discipline, consistency, emotional resilience, clear positioning, and financial management. Many people quit when outreach feels uncomfortable. First few clients say no, delivery gets messy, or results take time. Wealth favors those who refine, not those who restart. Start with an AI side hustle to replace your job, then scale relentlessly. By following these stages, the fast track to millionaire status is more accessible than ever. The only question is, will you build systems or watch others build them? Let's know in the comments.